In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and set up an account on Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get started, you need to go ahead and open your computer and then open any browser you wish. Then go ahead and just search for Claude, and this is the spelling, and this will take you to the official Claude website, which is Claude.ai. Go ahead and click on it. And once you are here, you need to go ahead and create an account if you don't have one, or you can simply just continue with Google. So I'll continue with Google, select my email, and then tap on continue here. And here we go. I'm on my account. From here, you can now start searching for anything when you just ask here. Now to interact with the Claude once you have signed in, go ahead and tap on this blank space here to ask any question. So I'll go ahead, type in a question, and then to search, just go ahead and tap on search here. And as you can see, Claude will go ahead and give you a response. Once you have the response, you can now copy it from here to use it anywhere you wish. So that's how you can set up an account on Claude and start using this AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.